going to discuss about how to install R on Cygwin editor. So opening first the Cygwin terminal, if I write there R, then you can see here R command not found. So what I'm trying to do, opening a set of file, clicking this set of file, or thereafter click next, install, then click on next, and selecting this side, you can select anyone, next. Then this is doing some download, and for this one internet must be connected. Then after click on this full, and this place you can get this all, and here searching R, then you can see here R, this place authorities debug info. So this is for math and science, R statistical computing language is there. So first we need to select this one. This is the version 4.123 that going to select because this is the latest version. So this is skipping all this all except R. And after that you need to click on this next. So this thing's going to install. Click on this next, and this is start doing the download. And this is here you can see downloading, and some downloading, some installation is also going on. So this is the progress here, total and disk space. Installation status complete. Click on this finish. Then after here closing this one, opening Cygwin terminal once again, and when I write here R, then you can see the R is now opening, and here you can see the version that I installed 4.3, and here you can see this all details. So here you can do the scientific calculation like 6 minus 9, that's come minus 3, 8 plus 8, 16, and you can do so many calculations this place using R. So this is how we can install R inside Cygwin editor. Cygwin. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.